Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to know about Kickserv. If you're new and you're just starting out, this tutorial will help you step by step. I'll explain what Kickserv is, show you how to create an account, give you a full overview of their dashboard, and then guide you through adding customers, creating jobs, and even integrating Kickserv with other platforms. At the end, we'll also go over the plans and pricing so that you know which package might work best for you. So let's get started. Let's start with what is Kickserv. Kickserv is a field service management software built for service businesses of all sizes. Whether you're running a plumbing company, an electrical service, a landscaping business, or any other trade service, Kickserv helps you manage your customers, jobs, scheduling, and reports all in one place. Instead of switching between multiple tools, you can do everything inside of Kickserv, from storing customer details to creating jobs and even assigning staff. It's especially helpful if you want to save time, reduce paperwork, and keep your operations running smoothly. Now, to create a Kickserv account, head over to your preferred browser, does not matter which one, and then search for Kickserv. Click on the official website, and it will take you to their homepage. On the top right corner, click on the Sign Up for Free button. This will take you to the registration page. Now, this is where you'll need to enter some details like your company name, your full name, work email, and your password. For example, if you're setting this up for your small business, you might enter something like ABC Plumbing Services as the company name, Jeremy Smith as the full name, and then, of course, your work email. Once all of the details are entered, click on the Sign Up button. Now, after you click the Sign Up button, your account will be created and you'll be redirected straight to your account dashboard. Now, the Kickserv dashboard is very simple and quite easy to navigate. Check that left side out over there. You see it on the left side of the dashboard. That's where the menu includes the main features, such as jobs, planners, customers, reports, and settings. These are the tools that you will use the most. For example, if you want to check upcoming jobs, you can click on the Jobs tab. If you want to add a new customer, you can use the Customers tab. And if you need to look at performance data, Reports is the place to go for that. The clean design makes it beginner friendly, so even if you've never used service management software before, you feel comfortable using it now. So, how are you going to create customers in Kickserv? Well, let me show you how you can do that. You're going to add a new customer, and to do that, go to the left menu and click on the Add New button. Now, once you click, you'll see a few options. They will appear, they include opportunity, job, and customer. For now, click on the customer option. This will bring you to the Add a New Contact page. Here you have two choices. You can add a person or you can add a company and a location. For this tutorial, we'll just go with a person. Under the Contact Information section, provide the customer's details. Let's say our new customer is Michael Johnson. You'd enter his full name, his phone number, like 555-123-4567, and his email address, such as michael.johnson@email.com. You will also have the option to add another phone number or another email if you need it. And then next, under the service address section, you'll need to provide details like the street address, city, state, zip code, and of course, and also the country code. Now, for example, you could enter 123 Oak Street, Dallas, Texas, 75201, USA. The system also allows you to add latitude and longitude if you really want precise mapping. Then comes the billing address section. You can either tick the option Bill the service address above if the billing address and service addresses are the same, or select Bill a different address if they are different. For this example, let's leave it as default, billing the service address above. Finally, under the additional contact information, you can provide details like the source of the lead, any tax details, or special instructions that you might have. For example, you might write, found us through Google Ads, or customer prefers contact by phone in the afternoons. Once all of this is filled in, click the Save Contact button. Now, Michael Johnson is a saved customer in your Kickserv account. So next, let's create a job for this customer. So if you want to create a new job, navigate to the left menu again of the dashboard and click on the Jobs tab. Here you will see options like opportunity, jobs, and invoices. Now, since we want to create a job, click on the job option. This will take you to the jobs page where you can view your existing jobs and also create new ones. To create a new job, click on the Add Job button there you see at the top right. This opens the jobs creation page. Now, in the general information section, provide the service, description, and the scope of work. You could enter air conditioning repair under service, then describe it as repair and maintenance of AC unit at customer location. Under scope of work, you might add inspect filters, replace damaged parts, and ensure proper cooling. Next, under the Who is this for section, select the customer the job is linked to. Since we've already added Michael Johnson, you can either search his name from your existing contacts, or you can also create a new one here if needed. In the additional information section, you can add details like a purchase order number. For example, you might add PO number 45678. Now, after filling out all the required details, click on the Create Job button. The system will then create the job and redirect you to the preview page where you can review the job details that you just entered. Now the job for Michael Johnson is ready in your Kickserv account. Now Kickserv also allows you to integrate with other platforms that you might already be using. To set up that integration, navigate over to the left menu and click on More. Once you do that, a new window will appear. From here, click on Setting. Now this will take you to your account settings page. On the right-hand menu under Customizations, click on Integration. This will take you to the integration page. Now, this is where you'll see a list of third-party software that Kickserv works with. These include tools like MailChimp, Stripe, and Podium. For this tutorial, let's connect MailChimp. Click on the MailChimp option, and a pop-up window will appear. Now, inside that pop-up, click on the Connect MailChimp button. You'll then be asked to sign into your MailChimp account. Enter your MailChimp email and password, and then authorize Kickserv to connect to it. Once you authorize it, Kickserv will be successfully integrated with MailChimp. As an example, once MailChimp is connected, you could automatically sync customer emails from Kickserv into MailChimp and then use them for sending marketing campaigns. This saves you time and makes sure that your customer communication is consistent. Now let's talk about plans and pricing for Kickserv. The first plan is the Flex plan, and it costs $19 per month for 3 users. It really is best for startups or very small teams that just need the basics. With Flex, you get estimates, jobs, invoices, and a built-in CRM, customizable tags, mobile apps, and payment options like Tap to Pay and ACH. Now, the next plan is the Lite plan. It's $61 per month, and it's 5 users. This one is designed for small teams that need more tools. It includes everything from the Flex plan, but adds features like automated reminders, job costing, reporting, time tracking, and QuickBooks Online integration. After that comes the standard plan, which is $124 per month for 10 users, which is made for growing teams that need stronger tracking and reporting. Along with everything in Lite, it adds dispatch mapping, GPS check-ins, custom fields, and QuickBooks desktop support. Next is the business plan at $208 per month for 20 users, which is great for established teams, offering everything in standard plus custom templates to standardize jobs, invoices, and reports. Now, finally, there's the premium plan, which comes in at $313 per month and supports unlimited users. Now, this is ideal for really large companies with multiple teams. On top of the business plan features, it gives you live GPS tracking and advanced technician performance reporting. All right, that is it for this Kickserv tutorial. Today, you learned how to create your account, explore the dashboard, add new customers, create jobs, and even integrate Kickserv with MailChimp. We also went over the different pricing plans so that you can decide which one really fits your business the best. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly guides. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.